Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin as an administrator. That lets you change Smart Screen system-wide. Open Start and type Windows Security. Press Enter to jump straight in. Once the security app is open, click App and Browser Control so you can see Smart Screen options for apps, Microsoft Edge, and files. Make sure you're on the correct account, otherwise changes won't apply. Now you have the controls visible and ready. Move on to selecting which Smart Screen protection you want to modify. Once you're looking at App and Browser Control, find the 3 Smart Screen choices: Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Store apps, and check apps and files. You can choose Warn to reduce interruptions while keeping protection, or Off to disable each feature. Pick Consistently to avoid confusion. When you flip a toggle, Windows may show a user account control prompt. Accept it to apply changes. If you need to revert later, remember where you found the switches so you can turn protections back on quickly. Finish by restarting the PC. That ensures Smart Screen setting changes propagate to running processes. If your toggles revert or won't save, check that you truly have administrator rights and then inspect group policy or registry settings. Domain policies can force Smart Screen state. Once restarted, test by downloading a safe file to confirm behavior. If you experience risky downloads or unexpected prompts, re-enable Smart Screen or set it to Warn rather than Off to balance safety and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.